Hello everybody, I hope you're doing well and thank you so much for coming along in this video today. This video is just going to be a short one. I'm going to talk about three subjects: my eventual transition to the Bose A30 headset, number two, a little bit of perspective on viewer comments, and thirdly, what is the intention of this YouTube channel. We'll be right back with you. We'll talk about those subjects. Thanks for coming along.
Good morning, departure Bidjet 379, Juliet Mike 1.5 for 3,000 and the turn to 090.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 140.
Right turn 140, 9 Juliet Mike.
379 Juliet Mike, turn right heading 180.
Right turn 180, 9 Juliet Mike. Clear for takeoff, runway 19, 379 Juliet Mike.
Welcome back. The first topic I'd like to cover is my potential transition to the Bose A30 Aviation headset. Now, if you've previously watched this channel, you've noticed that I typically fly with a Bose A20 headset. I own about 5 or 6 of them, and they're scattered between different flight bags and different airplanes. But in any case, I found that the A20 was sort of the best of all capabilities for what I needed in terms of comfort and audio quality and so forth. Now, previously I've used David Clark headsets as well as Lightspeed headsets. I also own a Bose Pro Series 2. That's the lightweight one with the earpieces. And all of those headsets are great for different reasons. I just found that the A20 typically provided the best comfort, fit, and attenuation for my type of hearing, so it met my preferences. Unfortunately, the primary Bose A20 headset that I use for most of my flights eventually started getting a split in the headset cord near the top, near the ear cup. And so I contacted Bose. So Bose sent me a UPS service label, and I'm going to be sending that headset back to them. Now, unfortunately, I'll be without a headset, or that headset, for at least 3 weeks or so while they have it in repair and eventually ship it back to me. So we'll see how that all goes. And in the meantime, I thought, well, it'd be a great opportunity to evaluate the Bose A30 headset. Now, when I purchased my Generation 2 Vision Jet in June, Cirrus Aircraft provided me with 2 brand new A30 headsets in the boxes. Previous to this, I had briefly evaluated a Bose A30 headset in an airplane that was owned by a different owner that I happened to be flying, and the owner had Bose A30 headsets in the plane, so I decided to use it while I was flying. I found that the communication audio and the Bluetooth audio in the A30 was great, no problem. Great intelligibility, great audio quality. I found that when you received audio from the audio panel of the aircraft, such as Sirius XM or something like that, the audio quality didn't come through as nearly as good as it did with the Pro Flight Series 2 or the Bose A20. So, in other words, the Sirius XM audio through the audio panel in the A30 wasn't as good as I had experienced in other headsets. And I don't know particularly why. It could be something in terms of the way the circuit board processes audio in this headset. I'm not exactly sure. But in any case, I had my Bose A20 at the time in the same airplane, so I did an A-B comparison. I plugged my A20 in and used the Sirius XM audio, and I found that the Sirius XM audio was much better through the audio panel using the A20 than the A30. Again, I'm not sure why that's the case. Again, it could just simply be the way that headset does audio processing. That is yet to be determined. So, in any case, I'm gonna attempt to transition to one of these brand new A30 headsets in these future flights. I'll provide a more comprehensive review down the road. But in any case, the feedback that I've read online is that this A30 headset is apparently manufactured on Bose's consumer grade line versus an Aviation line. I don't know if that's true or not. I can't say. I've also learned that Bose has discontinued the A20 headset, unfortunately, much like they previously discontinued the Bose X headset, which was a good one as well. So in any case, you're left, if you're going to purchase a Aviation headset from Bose, it's going to have to be an A30 or a Bose Pro Flight Series 2 headset. So I will review this product and let you know what I think of it as we continue to make future videos. So
this video is sponsored in part by SF50 Flight Support. check out sf50flightsupport.com for more information. We make jet ownership better with comprehensive services for owners, pilots, and operators of SF50 Vision Jets.
The next topic I wanted to talk about was viewer comments. Now, when I started this YouTube channel about 10 years ago, and more seriously about 5 years ago, I created the channel with the intention to provide an inclusive experience for prospective aviators, experienced aviators, and people that have certainly went off to fly larger aircrafts in aviation. And simply, you know, I wanted to be positive, and I wanted to provide an opportunity to enrich the experiences of people that watch the channel while they watch me fly this beautiful, magnificent Vision Jet or other aircrafts. And in most cases, it's been a really positive experience, and I think a lot of people understand what I'm attempting to achieve through this channel. Again, I want an inclusive experience. I want to motivate people to maybe pursue ratings and continue their endeavors in aviation. I love getting the comments about, hey, you've motivated me to get back into flight school. Hey, you've motivated me to get my next rating, or whatever the case may be. So everybody has their own track and their own situation. I just like the fact that I have a means to provide you with aviation material related to flying SF50 Vision Jets. It's becoming a very, very popular aircraft. Is it an aircraft that everybody endeavors to fly? I don't know. You know, the bottom line is I endeavor to fly other planes too. I wanted to thank those people who have taken the time to submit positive feedback and some extension of appreciation for what we're trying to achieve here in the channel. And I appreciate the fact that some people recognize that. At the same time, again, after reviewing comments for almost a decade now through YouTube, I sort of understand that every single comment is based upon some degree of motivation. The motivation might be excitement or adoration or appreciation, or it might be out of anger or frustration or some need to poke the bear. I can tell you that there's always a motivation behind each comment. And again, some are very positive, and other people have an agenda, and they try to ask a question that basically they don't want an answer to. They just want to ask the question in a way in which makes a negative statement. So I'm used to that. I know that there's all kinds of different people in the world, and hopefully you see what I'm trying to achieve in these videos and take it for what it's worth. The reason I have this channel is to provide a positive experience for people, to provide a way for people to experience the type of flying that I do. I appreciate you guys coming along in these videos. I respect that we all have differentiating experiences and opinions, and we all come together to watch aviation content on YouTube, and I think that's great. Thank you so much for coming along and supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the videos and your comments. Just understand what we're trying to achieve here, and I think you'll enjoy the content a little better. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.
Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Click on the notification bell so you'll be the first to be notified when new video content is posted. And I can't thank you enough for your questions, comments, and feedback. Until next time, safe flying, and we'll see you on the next flight.